Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 1.5 TFSI 35 S-Line Sportback. To the rear, you have the privacy glass, giving the car a touch of mystery, and at the time of this recording the car has done 10,196 miles, standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the wide contrast in stitching and the centre armrest with two handy cup holders with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below, you have the dual zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points to keep your mobile phone devices powered up. Finished off with the all-important manual gearbox and an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to this car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.